Hi everyone, I hope you all are fine and your studies are going well. So guys, earlier Institute has released a notification for course fee waiver for intermediate and final student who has lost their earning member of their family in COVID-19. So a great initiative taken by Institute, but that time Institute not released a form and procedure how to avail, and those students who has already paid the amount how to get the refund. So finally Institute has released, you can see that yes, those students who want to take, you can say, the refund, or those who are thinking about to taking admission but due to COVID-19 they has lost their earning parents, so yes, you will receive the fee waiver. Okay, so each and everything I am discussing, or in my Telegram channel I will share this, so you can take out the printout. This will be also include the exam, you can see the form. In the end of this you will get the form, so you have to print out this application form. This is the application form. Okay, so you have to fill. Okay, 18th point till if you are a new student, but if you have already paid the amount, then you need to mention your bank account detail in which you want to get the refund amount. So hope you understand. Okay, so what will be the criteria we are discussing one by one. So first of all, I have shared that yes, in this PDF you will also get the application form. In Telegram channel I will share the link of Telegram channel in the description. I will share, or pathway to CFA you can directly search. So let's read out one by one. This is applicable for intermediate and final student. It is specifically mentioned and not for foundation. Okay, but if you are a foundation student who has suffered, so you have to connect with the institute. Okay, you can call to institute if institute can help on this, but it is mentioned intermediate and final student only. And those students who has taken admission on 28 June of or after 28 June 2021. Okay, please understand that this is, we can say, 28 June 2021 or after that. So those parents lost their earning member due to this time period, so they can available. Clearly mentioned that eligibility for availing exemption, students who have registered to the themselves in this period 28 June 2020 or after that, either intermediate or final students. As of now, you can see that from 28 June 2021 to you can see that 2022. After that, institute will think about on this. But as of now, what will be the procedure? So you have to fill the form. Okay, you need to okay, and you have to pay the 500 fee for intermediate and final, either registration fees or enrollment fees. And you have to submit this form. You have to submit this form to the Directorate of Examination. Okay, certification of income, and yes, you can also attach the death certificate. Okay, your death certificate. Income of the existing parent guardian shall not exceed 2 lakh per annum for the last financial year. Okay, income of the existing parent shall not be exceed 2 lakh per annum. Student claiming course fee waiver under the scheme should be unemployed and depend on solely on the income of the parent or guardian. Okay, and those students who are taking admission should be a, you can say, dependent or unemployed candidate. Proof of document, you need to require necessary document certificate showing proof of death of parent. Okay, so you can say that yes, death certificate. Income certificate issued by central state government in favor of the existing parent guardian should be enclosed. Okay, so you need to be also produce income certificate. Adoption paper in case of adopted child. Self declaration that should be student is unemployed and having no other source of income. So I think as of now a student is already suffered such kind of things. You can see that yes, he has already lost his member. So my opinion is that only death of certificate will be sufficient, but institute wants some more document. मेरा मानना यह कि स्टूडेंट जो है वो ऑलरेडी इतना सफर कर चुका है, अपने पेरेंट्स को लॉस कर चुका है, फिर भी वो हिम्मत दिखा रहा है पढ़ने की, तो मुझे लगता है कि शायद डेथ सर्टिफिकेट मांग लेता है इंस्टीट्यूट, तो बहुत कुछ था उसको। इनकम सर्टिफिकेट इंस्टीट्यूट को इनकम सर्टिफिकेट भी मांग रहा है इंस्टीट्यूट, एडॉप्शन पेपर भी, सेल्फ डिक्लेरेशन, तो मुझे लगता है कि ऐसा ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए था। यहाँ पर आपको फॉर्म सबमिट करना है, ये एड्रेस ना, डायरेक्टोरेट ऑफ स्टडीज, द इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ कॉस्ट अकाउंटेंट ऑफ इंडिया, 12 सदर स्ट्रीट, ये वाला एड्रेस आपको लेना है। आपको सिंपल सा जो है फीस भरना ही सारा। अगर आपको जो भी डिटेल्स है वो मैं टेलीग्राम चैनल पर ही पूरा डिटेल शेयर कर दूंगा, फिर भी अगर आपको कोई डाउट है, ये आपका फॉर्म है, ठीक है ना। यहाँ पर अपने सिग्नेचर कर दोगे, यहाँ पर आपका फुल नेम हो गया, यहाँ पर आपका जो भी जिस प्लेस है आपका, जो आप जिस डेट पर आप इसको कर रहे हो। ओके, सो ये मैं टेलीग्राम चैनल पर भी शेयर कर दूंगा, फिर भी अगर आपको कोई डाउट आ जाता है तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में या टेलीग्राम में ही पूछ सकती हो, मैं आपकी हेल्प कर दूंगा। ओके, सो होप इंस्टीट्यूट की तरफ से ये रिलीफ जो है स्टूडेंट्स को दिया गया है, बट मुझे लगता है कि इंस्टीट्यूट ने जो और भी काफी सारे डॉक्यूमेंट मांगे, वो जब जो हम गवर्नमेंट काम करते हैं ना तब तो बेटर रहता है, बट यहाँ पर एज अ स्टूडेंट है, प्रोफेशनल स्टूडेंट्स हैं, तो अगर आप डेथ सर्टिफिकेट भी प्रोड्यूस करवा देते या एक और सर्टिफिकेट, एक दो और, तो दैट इज मोर देन सफिशिएंट। नो नीड टू रिक्वायर मोर एंड मोर डॉक्यूमेंट्स। स्टूडेंट्स ऑलरेडी परेशान है, स्टूडेंट्स इंस्टीट्यूट जो है वो और उसको ना परेशान करे ऐसा। तो ये गाइडलाइंस थी जो इंस्टीट्यूट ने रिलीज करी है। कोई भी अगर डाउट है तो आप पूछ सकते हो गाइस। और जैसे जैसे मुझे कोई भी अपडेट मिलेगी एग्जाम से रिलेटेड और नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट, श्योरली आई विल अपडेट इन दिस यूट्यूब चैनल। सो आफ्टर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क मी। फ्रॉम माय साइड गाइस, दैट्स ऑल अबाउट इन दिस वीडियो। बाय गाइस।